Hi, I'm Judy and I'm a Dine Inn host. Today I'm going to show you how to simplify your baking by using this efficient smart oven from Candy. The most unique aspect of this smart oven is having an app of its own in which you can preheat your oven before coming home or even help you to choose the best cooking program for your favorite bakes. It also informs you about your oven status and even suggests when it's time for you to clean the oven. Now, let me show you how this smart oven is going to help me bake efficiently. I'll be baking the black sesame Swiss roll and molten berries chocolate lava cake at the same time to test it out. Now that the Swiss roll is baking, I'll prepare the chocolate lava cake. The Swiss roll is done baking. Let's take it out while the batter continues to mix. And the batter is done mixing. Time to preheat the oven. While it's baking, let's prepare the whipped cream for the Swiss roll. Hope you like what you've seen today and do try these recipes with this smart candy oven.